I was in HR in Info Edge India Limited. I was able to crack a job for myself after going from HR to Wharton Labs Technologies. So that's where I started growing as a UI UX designer. I had researched that the UI UX design industry is growing continuously and there is a lot of growth in it. So I wanted to change that field from HR to UI UX design, and that's how I met IntelliPath for the course. In case of IntelliPath, the things that really impressed me were the fact that I would have gotten knowledge from industry experts and the resources that were given by IntelliPath and the fact that it was associated with a reputed institution of IIT Roorkee, that made it much more basically important for me to join IntelliPath because I thought that it's going to make me grow, and that is what exactly it did when I joined. I was in HR in Info Edge India Limited. I was able to crack a job for myself after going from HR to Wharton Labs Technologies. So that's where I started growing as a UI UX designer. IntelliPath's ticketing system is pretty quick, I must say. So I remember posting a ticket for the same that I wanted to know how many attempts were left for me in PRT, etc. So in that case, I got a call immediately within 24 hours to solve that query that these many attempts were left, so on and so forth. And the support system is very motivating as well. IntelliPath is the best source for you out there. And UI is something that AI can do at this point, but UX is something that you would need a lot of hold and power on. So IntelliPath is something that can actually help you there. So you should definitely go for it.